Look at the low temperature this morning, 42. The normal high temperature this time of year is 43. So we started the day very warm, we got very warm, and we are staying very warm overnight tonight. It's all because this system is just dragging up not only moisture, but warm air as well, which is why it's going to be pretty warm tomorrow morning when you start out. The rain should be over with, but you can still see we've got some pretty heavy bands out there, a lot more down through New York City as well. That's also lifting its way in. So where you see the yellow areas, that's where we're seeing a pretty steady rain going on, and even a few downpours. You look out toward Leominster, you look down towards Brockton as well. It's just moving in at this point and pretty heavy through much of southern Worcester County. And then if you widen out the view, you'll see that we have this rain here. It's steady, but then look at this line right through there. That's got a lot of lightning with it. So this is going to come through in the middle of the night, which means you might get a rumble of thunder, say about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning as that line works its way eastward. Now, once we get past about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, we're going to kind of wind this thing down. But you see what greets you tomorrow morning. A lot of gray skies, kind of gray out there, but temperatures will be in the low 50s. So we're going to have a warm start to your day. And then during the afternoon, there might be a few breaks in the cloud cover. Wouldn't plan on much of it. And, you know, there could also be a spot shower, but it looks like really light stuff. The steady stuff is really tonight, and it will be gone in time for your morning commute. And then your Saturday, well, we've got plenty of sunshine coming through as we talk about Friday and Saturday, but we also have wind with it as well. So overnight tonight, we're going to get probably some places getting close to an inch of rain, some places a little less, some places a little more. And as you look over the Zakim Bridge right now, everyone's driving a little slower. We've got some rain on the roads out there. It's still 49 degrees. Winds are out of the southeast at 14. And so far today, we picked up about 2 100s this morning. We picked up another 5 100s tonight. But that's why I say before the night's over with, we should get at least a good half inch and probably some places getting a good inch out of it. Now, there is some gusty winds with these rains when they come through, especially that line of thunderstorms I showed you out to the west. When that comes through in the middle of the night, you're going to hear your house kind of rattle a little bit, maybe even a rumble of thunder. And then we'll kind of back the winds off as we head through the day tomorrow. A little gusty in the morning, but that's about all. They'll be fine and then on Friday, we start to really ramp the winds back up again. So look for wind gusts of 35, 45 miles an hour. That's going to happen on Friday. Friday's a pretty breezy day for us. Probably not wind advisory category, but getting close to it. And then we'll back the winds off as we head towards Saturday. So Saturday's looking like a fairly decent start to the weekend, but not as warm as the weather we've seen today or will tomorrow. Rain and mild tonight with breezy conditions, 42 to 50. Not changing much in the temperatures tonight. Tomorrow, some morning showers, maybe a few afternoon breaks, and maybe even a few spotty showers. But once again, temperatures will climb up near 60 degrees. So here's why it breaks down then over the next 7 days. Tomorrow's your gray day, and then Friday's got the wind, but the sunshine with it. And Saturday is a cool start, same with Sunday morning. Remember, this is the weekend too. We spring forward with the clock, so don't forget to do that one early Sunday morning. And then we have a chance of some moisture coming in here early Monday morning. And if it comes in early enough and it's just cold enough, there might even be a little wintry mix with that one. Because after that, we warm back up in the 40s, the 50s, and maybe close to 60 by the time we get to the middle of next week. Slow progress as we head towards spring. And every once in a while, a little winter gets thrown back into it as well.